Yeah. 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 Look at that boy. That boy just stared over the box. We are back. Romar Horse Night in the building, man. We back in here with another unboxing. Unboxing. Guess what we got? Guess what we have? I want y'all wondering what's up in here. We just gonna get into it so y'all can see what's up in here. Some of the horror fam I already know about this box, just to tell you about the size of the box. I already can know. Hold on. This is why we gonna do this. We're gonna do this from the top view, baby. See, look. I'm winging it, man. Yeah. Ooh, y'all see that paper? Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Yes, sir. Oh, y'all see what it is. We're gonna go and get you on up out here. All right. Yeah. Yes, sir. We in here with an unboxing, y'all. The Chucky bundle. Child's Play 3. Right there. Five posters. Oh, we're gonna get into that. We're gonna get into that. Got the screens, the shout factory, screen factory, shout factory. You definitely got it covered on and up in here. Shout Play 1. We right there. 2. We right there. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. I can't wait to get to the extra slip covers, baby. All right. Yes, we have the Chucky bundle, man. The Chucky bundle. So y'all know this cover been out. This been out before. I want to say kind of not that many years ago, but I want to say, I don't know. It's been out. They did not change the cover with it in the bundle. They could have changed the cover. Of course, you got the iconic Child Play 2, Child Play 3, which I love to do. And then we got these 5 posters that come in. We got the originals. Yeah. Hold on. Let's focus. Yeah. And we got the commission posters. And we got the commission artwork, the slipcovers. We finna take these all out. We finna take them all out. I know.
The bundle also included a NECA figure of Chucky when he was burning Child's Play 1. It will ship out later on this year.
Yeah. We back in there, horror fam. Can't wait back to get back to see y'all.
Here you go again, Romare. Fumbling with that packaging.
And we're gonna take these outside gently. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The commission artwork that I love them, man. And they got the poster. You know, it comes with these 2 posters also, where this shows y'all. Yes. Y'all remember this iconic classic picture, man. And y'all know. But y'all know. Those of y'all who knows, man. A lot of people hate on Child's Play 3. I love it. I don't know why people hate on, they always say that's the least of the 3, which it is, but it's still not bad at all. I love it. Of course, 2 is my favorite. Here goes 2 right here, y'all know him. So y'all love the bundle, man, and it came out with 3 when I first heard about it, I thought it was just one old bundle, but it's 3 sets of 3 bundles that you can get for 3 different prices. It comes with one comes with pens, postcards. One just comes with the DVDs and the poster. I think that's the cheapest one, the DVD and the posters. And these slipcovers, I believe, or you get 2 and 3 posters with the. I got the one that got the 3 4Ks, the 5 posters, and the 2 slipcovers. Then they got the highest one that comes with the pens and the postcards. Yeah. And the posters, hold on, we gonna get those out. We gonna get those out, and I can't wait to frame these. I know I can't show y'all like I want to, but I got y'all. I got y'all. Here, this Child's Play 3. Slide them on that. It's 5 of them. I hate it I can't really show y'all like I want, you know. Here go the 2 commission artworks that come with the slipcovers that I just showed y'all. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, baby! Let's go. Let's go. I know y'all can't see it that good, but I'm gonna slide a clip in there. It's the original. Remember Andy baby should have got tossed off the bed, and there she goes. There she goes. Let's see. Oh, y'all know the classic 3 big face. Him looking all scary and spooky. Yeah. Yeah. I love him. I love him. What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? And my favorite, yes. Yes. I got this in a smaller frame already. It's in the background of some of my videos, or my Chucky videos, rather. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the Chucky bundle, man. That y'all see again. And plus, I don't have this one. So this is, I know a lot of people like, which I agree with them. They should have changed this up. They should have, they should have put the original cover on. But I never had the this cover that came out a while back. This is my original, my first Chucky DVD collection. This the regular DVD collection years ago. And this the last one that I got. Yeah. So yeah. That's the last one I got. And there was actually not the last collection. I'm gonna put it right here. The recent one, the very last collection that came out. Love me some Chucky. Love all horror. Love all my horror family. I'm glad y'all back in here with me, checking it out. I want to open, I don't need to open these 2 on camera, but I want to open this one. Because I know it's supposed to be a reverse of the original cover. The poster I just showed y'all where Andy's babysitter falling in front of being the original iconic poster. OG poster. Let's see what we can do. We gonna get it open. Let's see, baby. But yeah, I couldn't wait to unbox these and along with a lot of the other horror fans on YouTube. who are YouTubers. Yeah. Yes, sir. And we gonna show you. Ooh, yeah, slide on now. Slide on now. See, this was the original. And we're gonna flip it to this. See? Flip it. You can flip it. Hold on, horror family. Hold on. See, I gotta give me a stand. It's gonna get better, horror fan. And eventually I'll be in front of the camera with y'all doing it. So things gonna be a lot better. Right now, this is how we doing it for right now. For a while.
Please hurry.
Yeah. Y'all see that? I'm gonna put it right there on the skull. Let's let it sit right there. And that's what it. Now. Well, yeah, this is it, y'all. We gonna get on up out of here. Just want to show y'all the bundle. I ain't gonna open these two up. If I do, you know, I might stick a little clip somewhere down here of them open, showing them flipping open, or showing the DVDs. But I appreciate y'all for coming back in here, hanging with your boy, Romar Horror Night in Romar Horror Night Studios. What we talk about all horror. We deal with all horror. For all my horror family, come and hang out, chill, get comfortable, pop you some popcorn, and hang out with me. But yeah, oh, look at him. Woo, that boy stressing now back there. That boy stressing now. That man like, y'all don't do my hair like that, man. Y'all just did me in. I'm gonna squeeze somebody's head open. Yeah, man. But follow my Instagram if you want. If you want to check it out, it's chainsaw_towers. And we are out of here. Hold on, move it out the way. Yeah.